war
don't see any
could waltz
connection with
around
Vietnam,
town.
man.
Well, there isn't a literal
No,
connection,
Walter,
dude.
face it, there isn't any connection. You're wrong.
Have it your way, but my
Your
point is
role.
that my point is
Are you ready to be fucked, man? I see you roll your way into the semis. Dios mío, man. Liam and me, we're gonna fuck you up.
Yeah, well, you know, that's just like your opinion, man.
Let me tell you something, pendejo. You pull any of your crazy shit with us, you flash a piece out on the lanes, I'll take it away from you and stick it up your ass and pull the fucking trigger till it goes click.
Jesus.
You said it, man. Nobody fucks with the Jesus.